Okay. What's up, what's up, what's up? I just wanted to come on and share with you my excitement and joy. I have finally got my Canon M50 for vlogging purposes. I tried to find something that was a little bit easier to handle other than my DSLR. I did order it on the Canon website. I did get it refurbished, and I did add the extra warranty for 3 years in the event something happens to it. And this is how it looks coming out of the package. Put here, stuffing, more stuffing. Oh, what I paid for, invoice. They have the, why does it say Power Shot? Okay, but okay, the box that it came in. So this is the lens that it came with, and it's so, before I even open it, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so girl friendly. See, it's so tiny. And I did get the 15 by 45 millimeter lens. I did review before I purchased it, and I heard great things about the 15 to 45. And then, let's see, open it. Let's see how we're gonna open it. This comes in it. Service and support information. Cool. This is the battery. Then you get the battery pack, and then this strap. And now we have the M50, and it is small. I feel like I have a T6i, so I feel like it's about probably a little bit smaller than that, but not very much. Like, I thought it was gonna be small, like I was gonna probably want to send it back because it might be just too damn small, but this is really not small. Okay, it's nice. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and charge the battery, and then I'll come back and let you see what I see. Alright, so I ordered a VILTROX, I ordered a VILTROX EF-EOS M adapter. Or EF-EOS M adapter. Back it up. Boom. And because I want to use my lens I already have with my new camera, and I was online, YouTube University, and I came across this as an option, which is great, so I don't have to spend all my money on a whole nother set of lens for my camera. So this comes in it. It's lightweight, it's not heavy, but it's solid, like you'll know you're holding it. I'm watching TV too. So, oh. And then, from what I understand, it's just a see-through mount. Boom. So I'm gonna come back on with a different lens and see how it checks out. Okay, this thing is in your business. This is the 50 mil. It's also the regular standard 50 mil with the adapter from VILTROX. Do you see how close I am?
Do you remember doing that?
And my camera is not, it's not far, but it's not right up on me, and you can see all my business, honey. So let me go back some. Okay, so I'm further away. But yeah, this is me with the VILTROX and the 50 milliliter, with a VILTROX adapter with the 50 milliliter lens on it. We'll come back and sit down. I do love how this camera takes you in and tells your business. I do love that. I love how quick it is auto focusing. I haven't even did any settings on it, but I like it a lot. I'm gonna fix it. I mean, wow. If I'm looking over here, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I have to get used to looking in the lens so you guys get all that spiritual contact from me. Look at it. I mean, goodness. Wow. I think I might like this one more than my other camera. Am I going to be selling another camera? I just sold my Nikon 3200 because I wasn't using it. So for me, and this was a question that was asked, why Canon? Canon is such a straightforward, I don't want to say system. It's just a straightforward process. And if you're going from using your phone to a camera, Canon to me was just easier to understand. I don't know if it's just because so many more people had information and pretty much everybody uses a Canon that's here on YouTube. Or majority, I don't want to say everybody because I don't know everyone, but majority of the people do use a Canon. The Nikon, it was cool. Oh, I'm tripping. Hold on, let me turn this TV down. My fault, I was talking. But the Nikon was, I feel like I was gonna have to take photography class because Sister Girl was just like, what? And the 3200 was a good camera, don't get me wrong. I just wasn't committed to learning with that camera. I was more in swayed towards Canon, and I do not regret it. I really don't. I love my T6i, and now I love you, boo, my EOS. My EOS M50. That's it. I just wanted to come on real quick, share my new adapter, and share how it looks. And this is, honestly, I have not did any changes on my settings on this camera yet. I am going to. I just had lunch, excuse me. I'm going to, I just haven't done it yet. But this is, wow. I mean, pores. So this is really cool. I think it's really cool. I like that it's so close. And you all up in my business. But next time you won't be all up in my business. I won't give you the luxury.